Okay, for this next video, we're going to be going over the frame part of the Smilefy app. When you look at these top ones right here, this is what we did at the very beginning when you first brought in the photo and you did your initial smile simulation. This is another chance, I guess, to kind of correct some of those areas. You can again adjust the height of these teeth. You can adjust the ratios of the, how well the side teeth play out in height to width ratio. Again, you can turn that on or off and have these things move independently, or you can move them together kind of oppositely of one another. And then, of course, you have the buccal corridors left and right to kind of spread the back teeth out. I will say that when you do when you start doing these different positions of the teeth, this rotating of the posteriors is very helpful. Unfortunately, you can't do one side independently of the other. You kind of have to do them both at the same time. But again, this kind of starts getting the teeth in the right spot. Again, I know that this canine isn't laying over that canine, so let's go ahead and fix that right now. I need to move that back as far as it will go. Also going to look at the other side. Again, I'm trying to get the centrals and the canines right now. That's my main focus. And then I can kind of get an idea of where I want these premolars to go. And generally that kind of slant right there. And then this is also good. When you initially put this together, the smile simulation software is going to assume you want to do 12 teeth. Okay, that's an entire smile for somebody. This is where you start dialing in on, well, maybe we only need to do 10 teeth, or perhaps 8, or maybe 6, or you can go all the way down to 4. So when you're doing your initial consultation with the patient, it's going to be important to maybe not make any commitments to how many teeth it's going to take for you to, fix their smile or to improve their smile. That when you run it through software like this, you'll be able to kind of see perhaps maybe they need more or less teeth than what you originally thought. So this is a very good diagnostic tool, as well as determining how many teeth it's really going to take for this patient to get the ultimate result that they want. Also, is going to see that when you are going to be doing fewer than a full smile, you're going to be leaving some of their teeth that are natural and untouched. That your photograph and the actual simulated teeth, there has to be a very good match, both in how the flash was taken on that photo, and also the color and just the general lighting of the subject when you took the picture, so that the actual simulated teeth will match or butt up right up against the natural teeth you plan on leaving alone. So this is, like I said, very good as far as diagnostically telling where or how many teeth you want to do. This other part down here, this opacity IO scan, that's grayed out because it's not functional in the 2D setup, which is what we're working on right now. Smilefy does have a 3D function, as well as you can import your iTero scan or any other 3D scanner. You can do CBCT, you can work with labs. It's a very robust app to work with, but for this purpose, we're just going to be working on doing a 2D, just a regular photograph smile simulation of where their teeth could look like. It's a good communication device between you and the patient to kind of get an idea of where you could be going with this case, at least aesthetically. All right, the next one we're moving on to is the advanced tab is the next video. I'm going to jump over colors and go to advanced. So if you're watching these in an order, this is the order that I do them in. I do AI, Smile Harmony, Frame, jump over to advanced, and then come back to colors. And by the way, if you're working with the iPad version of this, the advanced is couched within the Frame tab. They don't have all 5 of these laid out. They just have 4 of them, with that 5th one, the advanced, is tucked inside the Frame tab on the iPad version. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.